Hello friends, are you looking for some easy steps to verify your Pinterest business account with your WordPress website? Today we are going to learn about it. For this, in a browser, open your WordPress website dashboard and your Pinterest in a new tab, log in it and make sure that your Pinterest account has been converted into business account. There is a difference between a personal account and a business account. In the business account, you will be able to see the analytics and you can run ads on your Pinterest. Right now, in this video, particularly, we are learning how to verify your Pinterest business account in your WordPress. So, for this purpose, go to your Pinterest business accounts settings, go to claimed accounts, click on claim website. Here you will be having three options. You can choose any one of it. Add HTML tag to the header of your WordPress website. Number two, upload the HTML file in the root directory of your website. And number three, to add the text record to your domain host. So I'm going to explain you the first one, how to add the HTML tag in the head of your WordPress website. There are two ways. Either you can install the header and footer section plugin in the WordPress website and do it through it, or you can verify it with the other plugin all in one SEO. So we are trying both the methods one by one. Let's begin. First of all, copy this tag from here. Go to your dashboard, go to the plugins, install plugins, click on add new, search for header and footer plugin. Okay, install this tag manager, activate it, go to settings. Here it is present, insert head code. So let me paste over here, go down and click on insert update tag. It is done successfully. Now go to the Pinterest, press continue, write down the name of your website and verify. See, now my site is successfully connected with the Pinterest and it is verified. Press done. Now, in the dashboard of your business account of Pinterest, you can see that the website is shown over here. In this way, in this simple steps, you can verify your Pinterest business account with your WordPress website. Hopefully you like the video. If you like it, just press a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. See you in the next video with more information. Thank you for watching. Take care.